All right, take it, it's yours. Is it all metal? Yes, it is. We'll take it. Thank you so much. All right, more stuff left for me. I had some poopy pipe left behind, and man, I love getting this stuff. Gonna put this on the truck. I'm so lucky I got this dropped off. This cast iron poopy pipe is really pretty heavy and pretty dense. And we're gonna get this to the scrapyard and keep it out of a landfill. Poopy pipe. Got another call for a water heater to pick up, so we got a nice little haul today. Thank you everybody for the calls. Appreciate you. Let's get it on the truck, Grandpa. I think we did pretty good just picking up with all the calls. Water heater, dishwasher, barbecue, bandsaw, poopy pipe, some brackets for bed frame. Let's get this loaded on the truck and get out of here. Bro, this is how it looks. It's kind of like, I always call it dystopian because you got like the water falling, the sun setting, all the, holy crap, look at the mountain of trash. Wow. Everybody working. Maybe I need a bigger truck, but man, that's beautiful. Probably got a big payment though. Love it. Okay, Grandpa, let's get to work. Oh man, I got a dishwasher. Oh Lord, let's get out of here. Oof. Oh boy. It goes on the truck, it comes off the truck. See you later, dishwasher. Oh man. Holy mackerel. Don't slip, Grandpa. Poopy pipe. Oh boy. Okay, one poopy pipe. Let's go. Next poopy pipe, maybe not. We'll get it. Just don't drop it on your foot. Whoa. Man, I'm like raising a flag or something here. Let's try not to get hurt. Bro. Whew. Little by little, inch by inch. Oh yeah. Ooh, gasolina. Ooh. Man, we got everything. All right, almost done. I think I'll go right there. Here we go. Whoop. Man, that was a lot of water heaters today. Thank you. You know, you gotta let people know what you're doing and end up helping a lot of old friends that are plumbers. I either pick them up or they actually drop them off at my house. All right, we gotta sweep it off. Not too shabby. All right, tail of the tape, man. We brought in almost 2,000 pounds, 196 per gross ton. And just in a day of cleaning up and helping out my local plumbers, we kept that stuff off the streets and made $170. Get out there and hustle. Be safe, kids. Thank you.